Kumase is the Tikro or capital town of the Asantes or Asante of Ghana, a people who rose among the Akan tribal or ethnic group around 1600 CE to become the most powerful kingdom the Akans have ever had. The etymology of the word Kumase from the two Akan phonemes is kum, literally to kill, and ase, literally a base. But the toponymy could offer researchers interesting interpretations of this place name. According to much older oral tradition, Kumase is a shortened renaming from the original name, Okum Enyinase, said to be a tree under which a Dogomba hunter, to barter or trade his elephant meat, set up a trading base, a booth or stall seemingly, on the north-south trade road, some 30 miles north of Kumase, Achichiri, the birthplace of the Akan maternal clan system, commonly known as Ebusia in the Adanse country. Other hunters and farmers, far and wide, gathered around this trading tree post to supply food and shelter to traveling traders with their porters and slaves. The first large Akan group to settle near Okum Enyinase were of the Eduana maternal clan from Nyenchimedu Akotene, south of Achichiri, now Akrokeri. Their leader, named Otumfobi, a smith, founded Asafo, which is known to be the oldest ward of Kumase. He inspired various settlers from different ethnic backgrounds to adopt the Akan maternal clan system as a rule, so that his own people could intermarry with them and they could all become one people with one language. A close relative of Otumfobi, named Abibirem, succeeded too and became the chief of this new and growing settlement in a thick forest called Kwayamai, literally the forest nation. Abibirem was in turn succeeded by one named Oti Akenten of the Oyoko maternal clan, who is said to have bought the chieftainship when he came from Asanteman to Okum Enyinase. It is partly believed that it was Oti Akenten who first called the town Kumase, but more prevalent is the version of this story that Okomfanoche renamed the town. Contrary to any other myth, folklore, and legend presented by various researchers, these were the true beginnings of the Asante or Ashanti people.